CBSE class 10 exercise 6.6 question number 6. Prove that the sum of the square of the diagonals of parallelograms is equal to the sum of the square of its sides. So what is parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Suppose this is your parallelogram. Okay, so ABCD is a parallelogram and its opposite side means AB is parallel to this and AD is parallel to BC given this parallel this, and AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. Since it is a parallelogram, so you have to prove diagonals of the parallelogram, that is will be AC and BD. So to prove AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DS square, that is AC square plus BC square BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DS square. You have to prove. So construction. Let us draw a perpendicular, that is DM, on BC produced. Suppose produced at each. BC is produced to E, and then draw a perpendicular DM to CE, and another perpendicular. Suppose this is a perpendicular AN which is perpendicular to BC. So construction DM is perpendicular to CE and AN is perpendicular to BC. Let us take true triangle. Now prove. Let us take two triangle ABN and another triangle DCM. Both triangles are 90 right angle triangle. This right angle at the point N and this triangle right angle at the point M. So for the triangle right angle triangle in right angle triangle ABN and right angle triangle DMC angle DMC is equal to angle ANB is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is equal to 90, this angle is equal to 90, so this angle is equal to this angle, and since it is a parallelogram, that is AB is equal to DC, AB is equal to DC, and AN, this is perpendicular distance, AD is parallel to BC or BE, therefore perpendicular distance AN must be equal to the DM because AD is parallel. Two parallel lines, therefore the perpendicular distance will be always equal. Distance between two parallel lines will be always equal. That is why AB AN is equal to DM. Again also AB is equal to DC because opposite sides of a parallelogram. AB is equal to DC. Therefore, two triangles ABN congruent triangle DMC, ABM congruent triangle DMC. Okay, two triangles are congruent. Therefore, we can tell. Therefore, BN is equal to CN. Therefore, this side BN is equal to CM. These two triangles are congruent. Therefore, BN is equal to CN. Okay. Now, in triangle right angle DMB, right angle at the point M, DMB. In right angle DMB, applying Pythagoras theorems, this is the diagonal square. You have to prove diagonal square, BD square. That is why we take BD square, applying Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle DMB. That is BD square is equal to DM square plus BM square. BD square is equal to DM square plus BM square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now BD square is here, DM square plus BM is equal to what? BC plus CM. BM is equal to BC plus CM. So we will replace BM by BC plus CM. BM will be replaced by BC plus CM because in your proof there is BC, not BM. That is why BM is replaced by BC plus CM. In your proof there is BC, not BM. Okay, so is equal to BM square plus, this is A plus B suman A square means BC square plus 2AB means BC into CM plus B square means CM square. Okay, this is your A square plus 2AB plus B square CM. Now, in triangle right angle triangle DMC, that is CM square plus DM square is equal to DC square. So CM square means here is CM square plus DM square. This is DM square. In place of CM square plus DM square, applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write DC square, which is required here. DC square or CD square, same thing. Or we can write in place of DM square plus CM square, we will write DC square plus BC square plus twice BC into CM. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. Now in triangle ABN, this is also right angle triangle ABN. This is also right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem. Now we apply, we take ANC, because here is another diagonal is AC, that is why we will take ANC. This is also right angle at the point N here. So in case of a right angled angle, applying Pythagoras theorem for the triangle ANC is equal to what? AC square is equal to AN square plus NC square. There is no NC in your equation, which you have to prove. So NC will be replaced by BC minus BN. BC is present here, BC. That is why we will replace NC. In place of NC, we will write BC minus BN. So AN square will be as usual plus NC will be replaced by BC minus BN square, or this is A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square, AN square minus twice BC into BN plus BN square. Again BN square plus AN square will be replaced by AB square. According to Pythagoras theorem, this is your right angled angle ABN. Right angled angle, for right angled angle we can write AB square is equal to BN square plus AN square. BN square here is BN square, AN square here is AN square. In place of AN square plus BN square, we will write AB square. So now is equal to, or we can write, that is AC square is equal to AB square minus AB square AN square plus BC square plus BC square. Here is not written here, plus BC square. Here is A square means BC square plus B square means BN square minus 2AB means minus 2 BC into BN, and AN is already given here. So AN square plus BN square is equal to AB square plus AB square, this is AB square plus BC square minus 2 BC into BN. BN will be replaced, BN is equal to CN. BN is equal to CN. Here BN is equal to CN. Okay, BN is equal to CN. So in place of BN, we will write CN. Okay, this is suppose equation 2. Here BN is equal to CN. In place of BN, we will write CN because here is BN and CN. Okay, here is here equation, here is CM. In place of BM, CM. This will be CM. So here twice BCCM, here also twice BCCM. This will be cancel out, twice BCCM, twice BCCM. This is plus twice BCCM. Here is minus twice BCCM. This is cancel out. That is why we replace here in place BN, we will write CN. So adding equation 1 plus 2. If we add equation 1 plus 2, then we will get left hand side of equation 1. This equation 1 is equal to BD square. This is left hand side is equal to BD square. BD square is equal to DC square plus BC square plus twice m. That is left hand side BD square plus in equation 2 left hand side AC square is equal to, in equation 1 this is equation DC square, equation 1 DC square plus BC square plus BC square, DC square plus BC square plus twice BC into CM into CM. Okay. Now here right hand side AB square plus AB square plus BC square minus twice BC into CM. This is very easy, just add two equations. Left hand side here BD square plus AC square, just add it, and right hand side add it, and nothing else. Okay. So here twice BCCM, here also minus twice BCCM. This will be cancelled out. Okay, is equal to DC square plus BC square plus AB square plus here DC square, BC square, AB square plus BC square. BC square means AD square. Since it is a parallelogram, BC square is equal to AD square plus AD square. That is DC square means here DC square, BC square means here BC square. Okay, and AB square means this is AB square, and AD square means this addition. So this is AB square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square plus here CD square, DC square or CD square same, plus DS square or AD square, DA square or AD square same. Proved. Very important sum in question number 6. So very important sum, so you will practice it.